up in the air.
We lost them again, Captain Standish.
I can see that. Now keep looking.
Yes, sir.
They're here. Oh, I can feel it.
Hello, turkeys of ye olde time. We've come from the future in a time machine named Steve to save you.
Quiet. We were leading the hunters away from our nest till you came along, shrieking like terrified hens. Who are you?
Yeah, you tell him, Ranger. Right, Furley? Woo! Don't leave me hanging, Ranger. Furley's right there. He looks up to me.
The hunters are returning. We need to move. I have the lead. Everyone, follow me.
He has the lead.
Stay in.